I'm now able to design and plan a full month worth of email marketing campaigns in less than 5 minutes, and I don't even leave an AI chat window. You see, email marketing is worth thousands of dollars per month to our Shopify store. But the problem is we have to spend hours every single week planning, creating, designing, building the emails. And even if we do use AI tools, we still need to jump between tools to pull it all together. Until now, you see, Klaviyo and Canva have both released an AI integration into Claude, which means we can just type into Claude, it goes off to Klaviyo, goes off to Canva, it brings it all together and builds out the campaigns for you. And if we layer that on top of Claude projects, we can basically do this all in one chat window. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set that system up. But before we get into the tutorial, I want to share a little insight with you. Did you know only 22% of people that watch my videos are actually subscribed to the channel? Which means when I release brand new topics like this, most people aren't getting notified. So if you want to be ahead of the game, learn about AI and Shopify before anybody else, make sure you subscribe to the channel straight away and you won't miss any tutorials. Let's get started on this one. To start building your AI email marketing system, we're going to need to connect 3 tools together. The first one is Klaviyo. That's going to be our email engine. That's the thing that's going to hold the email campaigns. It's going to schedule them. It's got the lists. It's going to basically do everything for us. The second tool we're going to use is Canva. That's going to do the designs. It integrates really nicely with Klaviyo and it's going to help the emails look pretty. And then the third one is going to be our AI engine, and we're going to be using Claude for that. And that's going to be the chat that we use to direct Klaviyo and Canva on the types of emails that we want to create. I've put links to each of them down below, so make sure you sign up to those so you can do the rest of the tutorial. Once you've signed up to those, log into your Claude account. I want you to click down on your name here. I want you to go to settings. And then in settings, there's a section which is called connectors. So connectors is like a marketplace of integrations that you can install into Claude. There is hundreds and hundreds in here. And these are the official connectors that Claude puts out there. So to install connectors, you click over here and you click browse and you search for the ones that you want. So we've already got Canva installed. As you can see, it has the tick. But if you don't have yours installed, just press the little plus there and authorize it. The same applies to Klaviyo. We've got it there. We actually need to connect that in there. And when you click it, it opens up a new tab. We click approve. And it goes through and installs that directly into Claude for you. And then we click select, we approve, and that now connects Klaviyo and Claude together so that all the data in Klaviyo goes into Claude and then Claude could talk directly to Klaviyo and it's an official connection. Okay. Once those connectors are in, we can basically just start talking to those apps directly in a Claude chat. Just to make sure you are talking to them, you can click over here, click connectors, and just make sure that they're in there. You've got Canva, we've got Klaviyo. We are all good to go on this. So I'm going to give you a demo now on how this works, on how we can talk to Klaviyo and how the campaigns look inside that. So we actually created a little project for this, and this project is called Dosed Email Marketing. Basically what this is a set of instructions that we give it. So we tell it about our brand, we tell it the templates we want to use, we tell it the campaign styling, all that sort of stuff, and we give it this big mega prompt in there. If you want to copy that prompt, comment prompt down below and I can send it to you. But basically this is the mega prompt that we use, and it basically gives it instructions on how we want it to operate with Klaviyo and Canva. We also upload some product details so it knows a bit about our product. We upload some information about our brand, and we upload some information about how we like to send emails. And you'll see that as we build this out together. So basically what we'll do is I'll do a demo of creating a campaign for a new product launch, and we'll see how that integrates into Klaviyo and how Canva comes together and how we can do it directly from this chat box. So the first thing I want to do is tell Claude the type of campaign I want to create. I want to create a product launch campaign for a new product called Mocha Coffee, which is a chocolate flavored coffee. So now this project it knows it has the connectors in there and it knows our brand and our products. So what it's going to do is going to ask us a couple of questions so that it knows how to build this email into Klaviyo and design it in Canva. Okay. So I'm going to go through a couple of these questions. We'll just do it quickly for the demo, but it should be super easy. So we want to run a launch discount and it's going to be $10 off. It's going to prompt a few more questions just so it knows exactly how to create it. All right. What's the current campaign theme for the month? The theme will be the launch of this product. Okay, should ask me a couple more questions just to really get it right. Okay, last question before I put together the summary. What campaigns have you sent? So this is a good question. It asks just so we don't send the same email again. We haven't sent any campaigns this month. I'll just do that to make it clean and easy. So what it should be doing now is crafting up a campaign plan for us, right? And it's going to give us an overview. So it's telling us the product, it's telling us the offer, the theme, the audience. It's telling us that it likes the opportunity. And then do we agree with it? Yes, that sounds great. And then it's going to put together 4 campaign ideas for us. Great. So first campaign is an engagement campaign, and it's why we made the mocha. It's this founder story. The second one is an educate campaign, 5 ways to drink the mocha, trust and sell. So that's the framework that we use. Engage, educate, trust and sell. So now it's going to build out these 4 emails for us. And I ask which of the 2 you're feeling. I'm going to say all 4. Please build all 4. Go. And now it's going to step us through one by one each of the emails the way we like them. Okay. So let's start with email 1. Can you tell me in own words why we created it? We created it because there was a high demand for people who wanted sweetened coffee without sugar, and chocolate was the next best option. Okay, so it's going to be able to write the email based on what it knows about us and the information that I'm giving it now. Okay, one more thing. What's the founder's name? I'll just do from the Dose team. No, I did it wrong. Doesn't matter. You know what I mean. Cool. Oh, it actually fixed that correction anyway. All right, cool. So it's coming up with the framework for the email. So it's going, we've got a hero image, and this is the concept. A warm, intimate shot of the Dose mocha bottle sitting on a kitchen bench. Why we made the mocha, clean, minimal. Does that visual direction work for you? We typically don't put product shots in these, plus the creation of product shots isn't that great yet. So usually when we do these campaigns, I don't do that in there. The hero concept sounds great, but let's not include a picture of the product in there. Okay, so this is going to build it out and then it's going to insert it into Klaviyo shortly, okay? So it's just getting as much information as possible. All right, let's see. A hero moody concept of the rich chocolate elements, dark indulgence. Happy with that. I'll jump into Canva and get the template updated for your approval, right? So it knows exactly what it needs to do. Okay, so you can see it's searching for available tools. It's starting to connect with Canva, and it's going to try and find a template. So what we basically do here is in our instructions, we identify the template that we want it to edit. And if we head over to Canva, this is the template that we're going to use and it's going to update, okay? It says it can see the template clearly. Page 1 is the hero image. It always a great moody coffee and chocolate visual. Well, see, I've done this demo before, so it's not updating it, but I'll tell it to update it, right? Performing editing operations. Let's see what it does. Okay, so it says, here's the updated image. So let's just change that background image to something else. I don't want to use that background image. I'd like you to generate a new one in Canva that is a glass of coffee with a block of chocolate next to it. And let's see what it does here. So it should be able to create an image for us directly in Canva and then insert it directly into that template. And so you can see here when you have this little Canva icon, it means that it is talking directly to Canva. It's using the image generation tool in there so that we can insert it directly into the Klaviyo template. All right, so it's done a glass of coffee. It's got some chocolate against it. All right, I think I like the first one. Great. So we can just say that. I like the first image. Please insert that as the background and be sure to update the headline and the subtext on the Canva template. So we've given instructions. We like the first one. It's going to insert this in Canva and then it's going to update everything directly in Canva for us. Okay, so it says it's done it and usually it sends a preview here. It doesn't seem like it's done it this time. So I'm going to get it to send me a preview. Can you please send me a preview first? So we don't want to just go and approve it if we don't get to see what it looks like. Okay, so we can see that is changed now in Canva. We've got the glass, we've got the chocolate in there, and it's even updated this call to action button, shop the mocha. So now that we've got that, and we've got a link to the design there, it tells us what we should see. It asks whether they're happy with that. If we are, then we can move on to do the Klaviyo side of it. Yes, let's go. Okay, so now what it's doing is exporting the hero image from Canva, and it's importing it directly into Klaviyo, and then it's going to build the email. Okay, so it's gone through, it's created the template from Canva and it's now creating the campaign from the template. It's deciding which list to send it to, the warmest, most responsive buyers, and now it's going to create a draft for us and it has made it, right? It's put a subject line in there, it's on the preview text, and now we can click into Klaviyo directly and see it. So let's have a quick look. Awesome, right? That's come straight from Canva. Look, if we go back in there, you can see that's that same image. The cool thing is here, it's now written all this copy for us, okay? That's so good. It's got all this copy. It's got from the Dose team. It talks about the mocha. It links to the mocha thing here. So we can actually go in and start editing these. Now, if I've got this right, we can usually edit this directly in the Klaviyo editor. So we'll see if that worked. If not, I'm going to show you a trick that you can make it editable in the drag and drop editor. So let's click edit and let's have a look. Okay, so you can see here it's HTML code, which isn't useful for people that aren't coders, but we can actually make a really quick update using Claude to make this editable in the drag and drop editor. So we're gonna go back to Claude and we're gonna just give it some additional instructions, right? So it looks good. We're happy with the overall look and feel. We're just not happy with the way it works. So I'm gonna give it another instruction. The email looks great, but it's not editable within Klaviyo. Can you please make it a drag and dropped version? So the Klaviyo connector is that smart that it knows that when we request drag and drop editor, the design that it's been given, it can actually turn it into sections directly in Klaviyo. It's pretty wild, right? So let's see what happens here. So it's going in and rebuilding with the proper Klaviyo drag and drop editable region, so you can edit it directly inside Klaviyo. Going through the steps. Okay, so it says email one's updated with a drag and drop template. You can drag new blocks, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so that has now been updated with drag and drop template inside. Now there's a little note here that says the hero image will appear as an empty image block inside Klaviyo. Just click it and insert the Dose Mocha hero image from your library. It should already be there because it came from Canva. So let's click in that and check it out. We'll open the link. We can see here, let's go next. We can see the image is missing, but let's go edit this time. You can see the campaign there. We click in there, select the image, and that image should be there. Click select. Awesome. So that's now in there and the whole email is now back and editable. So we can click in here, we can edit the text, we can edit the buttons, we could even go through now and insert, products directly in here as we need. We can do all the normal things that we can do in Klaviyo to make this a really killer email. The cool thing about this is if we now zoom out to our campaigns, we can now see this in our campaign list. It's scheduled, it's assigned to the segments. This is the one here, scheduled, assigned to the segment, and we can basically, get that sent off, right? It's going to be really, really cool. So that's email one done, right? And so now it's ready to go into email two. So effectively, we just go through the exact same process and we say, yes, let's go through. Now, we're not going to go through it for the demo. We're going to show you this is exactly what it does. And so effectively, it's just going to ask us what the content of the next email is. And it's going to ask those questions. It's going to build it out in Canva. It's going to connect it into Klaviyo, and it's going to schedule it in directly for you. So as you can see, I haven't needed to design my own emails. I haven't needed to come up with ideas. I haven't needed to write the copy. I haven't needed to build them in Klaviyo. It's done it all directly out of Claude and the integration that Klaviyo has. So basically what I'll do from here is I'll spend the next 5 or so minutes just building out the next 3 campaigns, schedule them and have them directly in my Klaviyo account. And that's it. I'm done for the month. My whole campaign is set up and I have never left the Claude interface, right? It's quite wild. Now, the way we customized this so it worked really, really well is we used a custom GPT and we use Claude projects to do that. If you want to learn how to build a custom GPT, this is the next video that you want to watch.